Now are you coming to help? Great. Wonderful.
On today's episode of Buy or DIY,
Antonio is our modern-day Fresh Prince looking to up his home entertainment game.
we are going to give him an entertainment unit that will impress his friends and be portable enough for him to take to his new condo. I'm going to find the perfect buy.
These are glitter. I'm gonna make the perfect DIY. Sing along with me. At the end, Antonio's going to pick which one he likes best.
That's crazy.
This is Buy or DIY.
Yo, Dani, Alexandra, it's your boy, Antonio, Mr. Good Vibes here. This is a good vibe spot, and you know my little entertainment center, when I bring the homies over, speaker system, TV, and I'm looking to jazz it up. Something funky and cool with a lot of colors, like a 90s Fresh Prince type of vibe. I'm gonna need something that, while I'm hustling during the week, that I can put away, but when the nighttime comes on the weekends, I'm gonna need that. I need to be portable too, because I'm gonna move downtown soon. I'd love to keep it in the budget of $300, but let me know.
Ooh, what a smooth guy.
He's fun.
I like his like modern day Fresh Prince thing. I'm feeling that. I like it.
You want to know a secret?
What?
I've never watched the show. What? I think I'm too young.
You're missing out. You're missing out.
Okay, before we get into this episode, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any new episodes from season 2.
And don't forget to hit that bell notification because you don't want to miss an episode.
You don't.
Well, I gotta go. I got a DIY to win. Yo home, smell you later.
What? Is that a reference that I'm supposed to? Okay, bye. This episode is all about creating an entertainment hub in your home. Antonio's looking for a bar cart that is movable, so one that he can take out on the weekend when his friends are over and then store away during the week. So here's my plan. I'm looking for some sort of utility cart that doubles as a bar cart. So a place for Antonio to store all of his party supplies and one that can be easily transported to his new condo. And then to jazz it all up, I'm looking for some really fun smart lights that dance to the music.
All right, Antonio. I need to come up with an idea that's kind of 90s inspired, which means I get to have fun with color, but also knowing that he's going to eventually move, I need to keep this mobile. So here's the idea I'm thinking about. I'm going to DIY our Fresh Prince a slick bar cart out of 1/2-inch copper pipes, but give it a luxury feel using clear acrylic tubes. I'll add purple light through them to make this bar cart feel neon, eccentric, and totally fresh. Now, copper really isn't his vibe, so I'll spray paint them a glossy black, but amp up the cart by staining the wood bases black and adding 90s inspired graphics on the surfaces. Of course, a bar cart isn't complete without all the glassware necessities and moving casters spray painted in fun galaxy-inspired colors so he can wheel the cart around to serve his party needs. All right, Jeffrey, prep my car.
A common problem that people struggle with when we're talking about small space entertaining is extra seating. What I love to do is use decorative poofs because they look beautiful on display. They can be tucked under your coffee table or even your couch when they're not in use. And then when you have your friends over, you just take them out. You can use them as an extra surface to house a tray with drinks and appetizers, or use it as extra seating.
Building a bar cart out of copper pipe. We're gonna start connecting the pieces. Montage time. Montage, montage, montage. This reminds me of that video game that you like have to connect the pipes while the water's running through it. You're like, oh my God, I'm so stressed out. What I have here, industrial strength glue. Okay, it's a bit tricky, but it's totally possible. You just need a friend. Ah, hello, friend. Oh, the struggle is real. The struggle is real. No. Okay, I'm in. Thank you.
People always ask me, how do I fill an empty corner in my apartment? And I always say, use a bar cart. It is an entertainment hub, it's a decor focal point, and this is exactly what we're gonna be creating in Antonio's Buy. Now, a piece like this can get really expensive quickly. So for Antonio, I want to find something a little bit more budget friendly and go with a plain black utility cart. Now, if you go with something a little less expensive, you can always jazz it up with some really beautiful barware accessories. So you have this cute pineapple, beautiful coffee table books, some really colorful glasses, some glitter coasters, and then all of a sudden you have a beautiful piece of decor that makes you look like a true grown-up.
What we have is a black stain. I love black stain versus paint because you still can see a little bit of the wood grain through it. This is beautiful. While these are drying, I'm gonna start cutting my cool 90s inspired stencils. Woohoo! All right, who's ready to make some shapes? I got a neon pink, a neon yellow, a neon blue, a cool purple, and this fun neon orange. And I'm simply just going to lay this down. Bam! Okay, 90s inspired boards are complete. Slap in the face with 90s nostalgia.
It's hipster cats or French cats? Oh my gosh, there's one wearing glasses. I can't. I am here to find some really fun accessories to make this bar cart shine. I really love these. I feel like these are very his style. Lots of neon colors. Maybe I'll get one of each.
I love the way that this spray paint looks. You want to just do long strokes. You don't want to get up close and then start pooling it because that's when it gets that drippy look. All right, we're gonna set this aside, let it dry for a bit. Gator. I have actually no idea what Gator's doing for this episode. I feel like she might do a bar cart too.
Okay. What? Like this? Pointing up? No. It's real embarrassing. Like that? Yeah. Marty, could you be helpful? And then what? Uh-huh. You thought I was gonna struggle.
No. Yeah. It's so cool. You can't get this with a buy. Right, Alexandra? Actually, Alexandra's a great DIYer.
Oh no. Oh no. Just don't tell Dani that I was struggling.
I love floor DIYs. A lot more comfortable, you know?
I did it. Okay, you're gonna need way more than that to win this competition. Come on, let's go. We're gonna be late.
Hey, what's up, ladies? How's it going?
Look at your outfit!
You know, I had to come fresh. This is a good vibe spot, where I bring everybody to chill, the entertainment center. We have good vibes every day here.
I'm feeling the good vibes. And you're looking for something funky fresh.
Just super dope, extraordinary. I don't want to seem ordinary, not at all.
Oh, okay. The pressure is on.
I don't feel pressure.
Of course you don't, Dani. Okay, well, put this blindfold on.
Okay, take these off.
I'll take those. Thank you. All right, this way, Fresh Prince. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
On the count of 3, take off your blindfold, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa, that's crazy. You guys did that?
Yeah.
That's dope. Oh, this is definitely the good vibe spot now. I love it. It's exactly like what I wanted, the colors and the whole funky vibe.
We are gonna explain our buy and our DIY to you.
Okay.
Then you decide which one you like best.
I like both so far, yeah.
Yeah.
So I like the colors.
Let's start with the DIY. So I DIY'd you the coolest 90s inspired bar cart. I DIY'd acrylic tubes and copper pipes. I brought them together in a really cool, slick way. I have some cool, funky 90s inspired designs, fun neon colors, just like you asked for.
I like it. I think it's suiting.
I also wanted to bring something that's gonna pop, something that's gonna draw everybody's eye, and that's with these cool L-wire lights. The L wires run all the way through the acrylic tubes and around the bottom of the bar cart.
Do those shut off or are they always
They
on?
do. There's actually a little remote in the back. They come off, they can be full-time on. So when the lights are dim, this is going to be the life of the party.
I can imagine, yeah, it looks dope.
So you can hold your wine glasses and all of your bottles of alcohol down here. And the best part is this whole thing is on wheels.
So I could just tuck it away, right?
Just
Love
tuck it away.
My favorite thing about it, I love the colors. I love pink, I'm a big pink guy, and I'm definitely loving the lights. And you did
Flashy.
that all yourself? That's dope.
I made this with my own 2 hands.
Well, I love it. You have my testimonial.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So you gave us a budget of $300, and the total of this bar cart was $291.
$9 to spare.
$9 to spare in your pocket. Buy a lady a drink that night.
Okay, so I'm gonna explain my buy to you.
Okay.
Bar carts are typically really expensive, so I wanted to maximize your budget as much as possible, which is why I went with kind of your standard utility cart. But what makes it super fun is all of the accessories you can like deck it out with. So I got you these really cool champagne glasses. I mean, how cool?
They have neon in them, yeah.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Some paper plates. I love using paper plates for parties. They're just really easy. They have really fun designs on them. And then I love using S-hooks as well, just to hang all of those other accessories, like this pineapple bottle opener, you have a tea towel, and then you have your booze down there. I really feel like a cart like this, you can make it feel custom to you using the accessories that you choose. But I've saved like the coolest part for last. Not only does it light up when you talk, it also lights up when you play music.
No way.
And it like goes to the beat of the music. So let's.
Nah, that's crazy.
You hook it up to your phone, there's an app. So fun, right?
So if I talk, hello? That's dope.
The best part about these is you can place them wherever you want, you can move them around your new apartment, you can put it in any kind of like formation you want.
Okay, well, by far, my favorite thing is obviously the lights, because that's, feel like Iron Man, like especially the design, like the triangle. The neon in the cups, that's a cool tint.
Yeah.
That chalice, I like it, gold. But the lights are sick. I've never seen something like it. I feel like I could talk to it, you know?
Yeah. Dani, you spent, what was it?
$291.
$291? I spent $290.
That was cheaper?
Yeah, by $1.
My own 2 hands. Let's not
Some
forget.
good budget-friendly buys that I picked with my own 2 hands. So you've seen both options.
It's now time to make your final decision. Are you going to buy or DIY?
I'm gonna have to say bye. I know you put a lot of work into it. I mean, just look at it.
I know, I know.
I love it.
Yay!
I gotta say, really well done.
Well, I think we all need a drink. Shall we start the party?
Let's do it.
Here's our great episode.
Congratulations on your win. It was a good
Thanks.
one.
But you know that's not how you use that, right? You're not supposed to drink out of it.
What do you mean? It looks like a little tiny championship cup.
Okay. Well, guys, we want to know what you think down below. Are you team buy?
Or team DIY? Let us know in the comment section.
You gotta change.
I need to say exactly how I am. I feel great.
See you next time.